All right, Stevie, we're back in your basement. And what are we doing? We are installing some nice little devices to protect your output transformer. It's incredibly important that we have these countermeasures in place because you are an active musician and this is a very old amp. Here's the rig thus far. I need to add a few leads and obviously solder everything in. But this is what we're looking at the moment. And where's it going to go? Well, you see these little holes back there? Factory little punch outs in your chassis that just so happen to coincide with the center to center alignment on this little turret strip. Fabulous. I've custom cut some fasteners for this. These are threaded inserts at the bottom. It's a beautiful thing. Nice FR4. We're going to drive these in from below and then finish it up with a caps nut on top. And in the absence of a caps nut, then we'll use some really nice blue Loctite. Bye. Or just hang out. Let's see what happens. Are you dizzy yet? Just thought I'd ask. Oh my gosh. What am I doing? This is an incredibly difficult shot. I'm using the phone. Using the phone as a viewfinder. I'm not really finding any view though. All right, Stevie, here we go. Have your backup rectifier diodes and your output transformer protection here. All set up. It's a thing of beauty. Let me get some better light and angle here. And then I'll run you through it really fast. But look how clean that came out. I like it.